strikers we are when it comes to entertainment. We are the Magnum Kings and Queens of Dancehall, brought to you in association with Digicel and KFC. The next princess gearing up for the stage is the only wildcard to not yet meet the dungeons of the face-off. So you know she must be doing something right. She bossed the place the last time when she said fat girls can dance, not only just eat. Coming to eat the food here tonight, it's Tammy K.
Yeah. Good night, people. As me say, Joe, I only one queen to the throne, and I mean that. Me have lyrics, more lyrics. A real song right and a right be a gimmick. You think it easy? It hard like physics. Write a proper song, sit down with a demon. No ABC rhyme on a kindergarten. Lyrics fly through your ears, jump robot. They walk them me too hard, burn up the road like Vice Cartel. Your Magnum, you don't see that? I start burn again. Tell them me a winner, me come to take it all. Me a run dance now, just like Lady Tar. And my time I know, to ride the rhythm raw. Me fans really love me, them tell me go harder. When I think me done, bang now. When I think me done, me say me just a cup. Me say me comfort, the million, the contract. I feel no one, just get up. I feel me that, and Kitty, and an idol, but not. And my crush, he make me broke a jet rock. Ha! When I think me done, me say me just a cup. Ha! When I think me done, no stop. When I think me done, me say me. They say me bad that climax, them call me the rhyme music specialist. If you're bad, try stop this. Come through your lungs, feels look simple. Don't touch me, me a wall on like Randy. Kill them like this, then feed them to mediators. No evidence, no crime scene, no wash that way. Real clean, but rush into my brain. They think me insane, only herbs. I swear, me tired and they bleed. Me say me comfort, the million, the contract. I feel me one, just get up. I feel me that, and Kitty, I'm my idol, but not. I'm my crush, he make me focus, get wrong. Ha! When I think me done, me say me just stop. When I think me done, smash now.
All right, Professor Nuts.
No,
Professor Nuts.
That one that dig me neck. One. Hey, you know that I like your flow. Hello. Could you pay me a little bit if I look a bad mind? Just pay me. Yes, I like your flow. You know why? You're active. I'm like, oh, you're clear. Your clarity is there. Now, whatever you talk about scatter and Miss Kitty, when you reach my part, my friend, my heart, go boop, boop. Behave yourself. Now, for a lady with that quality and them style there, me have to give her a big rugo for that one. Yeah. She need it. Now, you are one good DJ. You prepare for the clash. Magnum, crank it. One more. That's your.
Try it on.
Okay, all right, Tammy K, your energy. And I must say I'm proud that that rhythm, dancehall, you know, it was produced by me. So you see the energy that you bring to it on the floor, very good.